Ever wondered if you could just sidestep the complexities and ask an AI to write your website's privacy policy? It's a tempting thought, isn't it? To offload the burden of legal jargon onto a machine that can churn out text in seconds. Well, curiosity got the better of me, and that's exactly what I did. I decided to put ChatGPT to the test and see if it could handle the intricacies of crafting a privacy policy. And let me tell you, the results were surprising. Some aspects were impressive, while others were a stark reminder of the limitations of AI. It was a real eye-opener. So I fired up ChatGPT, ready to embark on this experiment, and gave it a simple prompt, something straightforward to gauge its capabilities. Write me a privacy policy for my online store, a basic request, designed to see how well it could grasp the fundamental elements of such a document. Within seconds, boom, the AI sprang into action, processing my request with lightning speed. Pages of legal-sounding language filled my screen, a seemingly endless scroll of clauses, disclaimers, and terms. I mean, it even used phrases like data controller and third-party processors, throwing around industry-specific terminology like a seasoned lawyer. Impressive, right? At first glance, it seemed like ChatGPT had nailed it, a complete privacy policy generated in mere seconds. But here's the thing, and it's a crucial point to understand. Writing a privacy policy isn't just legal mad libs, filling in blanks with fancy words. It's not about sounding official, it's about being accurate and truthful. There's a lot on the line. More than just avoiding fines, it's about building trust with your audience. Let's get real for a second. Let's talk about what a privacy policy truly represents. A privacy policy is your promise to your visitors, a binding agreement that outlines how you handle their personal information. It tells them what data you collect, from their names and email addresses to their browsing habits and purchase history, how you use it, whether it's for marketing analytics or simply providing the services they expect, and how you keep it safe, the measures you take to protect their data from breaches, hacks, and unauthorized access. Mess it up, and you could be looking at fines, hefty penalties for non-compliance with privacy regulations. Sometimes in the tens of thousands, depending on the severity of the violation and the jurisdiction you're operating in. Not to mention, you'll spook your visitors faster than a pop-up ad in 2005. Trust is hard-earned and easily lost, especially when it comes to online privacy. Now the good news, despite the potential pitfalls, there's a silver lining to this AI-powered cloud. ChatGPT can give you a solid starting point. It's like having a super smart intern who never sleeps, tirelessly working to generate a first draft for you. Want your policy to mention cookies? Just ask. Specify the types of cookies you use and how you use them, and ChatGPT will incorporate that information. Need to cover GDPR, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or CCPA, the California Consumer Privacy Act? Tell it. Provide the necessary details, and it can help you address those specific requirements. You can even paste in details about your business like your company name, address, and the types of products or services you offer. And the AI will tailor the policy to you, incorporating those specifics to create a more personalized and relevant document. Pretty handy, right? It can save you a significant amount of time and effort in the initial drafting process. But, and this is a big but, a word of caution is necessary here. AI doesn't know the ins and outs of your specific business. It lacks the contextual understanding to fully grasp the nuances of your operations. It can't see your third-party plugins, the ones that collect data in unique ways, your newsletter signups, or how you manage your email marketing campaigns, or your weirdly specific analytics tool you installed at 2 a.m., the one that tracks metrics no one else even cares about. It's guessing based on what you tell it. It's making assumptions and generalizations which can lead to inaccuracies. That means you still need to check every line, make edits, and ensure that the policy accurately reflects your actual practices. Probably show it to a real lawyer. A legal professional can provide expert guidance and ensure that your policy complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Think of ChatGPT as your recipe book, not your chef. It provides the ingredients and instructions, but you still need to do the cooking. Here's a fun fact, a little tidbit to put things into perspective. In 2023, over 70% of new website owners used AI for at least part of their legal paperwork. AI is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of business operations. But the number one regret, the most common complaint among those who used AI for legal documents? Not double-checking the details. Failing to thoroughly review and verify the information generated by the AI. Don't be that statistic. Don't let complacency or over-reliance on AI lead to costly mistakes. So, Can ChatGPT help you write a privacy policy? Absolutely. It's a valuable tool that can streamline the process. Should you copy-paste and call it a day? Is that a responsible and prudent approach? Not unless you love legal headaches, because that's precisely what you're inviting. Here's my golden rule. The key takeaway from this entire discussion. Use AI to draft, but always review, customize, and consult the pros. Leverage the power of AI, but never abdicate your responsibility to ensure accuracy and compliance. That way, you get the best of both worlds. The efficiency of AI and the expertise of human professionals. Speed and safety. A winning combination that protects both your business and your customers. And remember, this is the final thought I want to leave you with. Your privacy policy isn't just legalese. It's not just a document to check off a compliance list. It's your handshake with the world, a symbol of your commitment to protecting user privacy. Make it count. Treat it with the care and attention it deserves. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.